G'day, Matthew Stack, mortgage broker here. Wanted to talk to you today about some ways to avoid paying the costs associated with buying a home, such as lender's mortgage insurance, if you're using a deposit that's less than 20%, or stamp duty, especially if you're a first home buyer. So the first way would be to use the first home guarantee scheme if you're a first home buyer. So that means you can put down a 5% deposit and pay no lender's mortgage insurance. There's about 27 lenders that participate in that scheme. It's a government scheme. It's a good one if you're a first home buyer. Second one is stamp duty. So if you're a first home buyer, once again, less than 800k price point for your property purchase, you can put down you can pay no stamp duty. Less than $1 million, but over 800, you'll pay a concessional rate, and above $1 million, you'll pay full stamp duty. So the third way would be via family guarantee. So what does that mean? If your parents own their house outright or paid off the majority of it, you can put your 20% deposit against their home. That doesn't mean drawing a mortgage on their property. It just means a caveat or a guarantee will be put against their property until you've paid down the loan to 20% or more, and then that guarantee gets taken off the property. It does mean you'll borrow 100% of the purchase price plus stamp duty if you're paying stamp duty, but it's a good way to get into the market. You don't have to be a first home buyer to do that. Fourth way would be professional waivers. Now, I think doctors, lawyers, accountants, engineers, some lenders prefer these borrowers, so they fight for the business, let's say, and they'll lend you up to 90% to buy your home without paying lender's mortgage insurance. So if you're a professional, you should see a broker about which lenders are right for your profession. Some love accountants, most love doctors. They'll do up to 95% actually and pay no LMI. Good way to start property investing if you can get that LMI waiver. Great way to save money on the transaction costs. There are specialty lenders like Ubank that will lend you 85% and not charge you LMI. So know about those. And Ubank have really cheap rates too. You can also draw a deposit from any properties that you currently own. So if you own a property and you can draw a 20% deposit from there, what that would look like is a refinance via a cash out. So you just draw out your 20% deposit via refinance and use that as your deposit. Pay no LMI once again. So that's why I use a broker, to know the tricks around that. I'm here if you need me. Get in touch in the comments. Thank you.